everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is another installment of Face Beat Friday. So I'm going to show you all how I created this look. I'm not going to go into detail on the products that I use. I'm just going to let you, walk y'all through what I did. But the really exciting thing about today is I am testing out a new product that I have been seeing all over TV, and I'm sure you have too, and it is these the magnetic lashes. So as you can see, there's 4 lashes in here. One set goes on the top, one set goes on the bottom. I'm super excited to try these out and to see if they really work, because if they do, I might actually start wearing lashes more often. And if you watch my channel, you know I don't wear lashes often. Well, alright, let's jump on into the video and then I'll be back to put these on. Okay, so I actually bought 2 different ones. So this is the double wispies and these are the double demi wispies. So it looks like the double are like more dramatic. I'm gonna put them closer. Those look a little bit more dramatic than these do. These look a little more natural. So I'm gonna put these on today. And see if I like them. So let's try it out. Let's get started. You guys, so I finally got the top ones on, and I am struggling to get the bottom ones to like connect. So like, this is not easy. It's not as easy as the commercial was trying to make it out to be, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it, I promise. It's scared to like put this so close to like your actual eyelid before it connects. Like, it's not like it just zooms in and connects automatically, you know? I don't get it. Right now I'm not liking it, and I think the mascara, I think me putting mascara on is not helping. Finally got them on. Okay. One down, one to go. That was hard. Oh my god. Like, that took like freaking 15 minutes to put one lash on. I think I got the technique now, so I think it'll be easier for this. Now I'm about wiped off all my makeup. Okay, alright, let's go. Let's try it again. I got it this time. Okay, so I have them on. Y'all have no idea how long that took. Like, I fast forwarded through it, but like, oh my god, it literally took me almost like 20 minutes to put these things on. Maybe because it's my first time wearing them, so like I got to get used to like, because it's a trick to it. Like, you have to, like when you put the top lash on, you have to make sure that those magnets are turned all the way down, because if not, the bottom magnets won't connect and it's just gonna keep falling. So like, it felt like I was getting frustrated, but I got them on. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel like, you know, they feel like normal falsies, not super heavy. So far, so good. I feel like my eyes really pop. Like, my eyes are huge right now. I need to put more mascara on my bottom just because they don't match right now. Like, my top lashes are like, so I will be back at the end of the day to let y'all know if I like them. So far it was hell putting them on, but then again, it was my first time putting them on, so maybe after a few times of just kind of getting comfortable with them and all that, maybe it won't be as bad. Alright, so I have had the lashes on all day, and to be honest, I haven't seen like a big difference from regular falsies to the magnetic falsies. I think the biggest thing is just how they go on and how you apply them. And if that's supposed to be the selling point, they're not easier than regular falsies at all. As a matter of fact, it's harder to put them on. So I'm not completely sold. And now the moment of truth for taking them off. And you're supposed to be able to like slide. Boom. There you go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you know, enjoyed my feedback on these magnetic lashes, and hopefully that will help you if you do decide to purchase a pair of them or not. And again, make sure you are subscribed and you share the video. Lately I've been getting a lot more shares, so I really appreciate all of you for sharing, and keep sharing. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.